Hello viewers, this is you Lokeshwari and Shiva Parvati from 3rd BCom E, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. Today topic from Human Resource Management. Now we are going to discuss about trade union. First, meaning of trade union. Trade union are voluntary association of employees formed to promote and protect the interests through collective actions. Trade unions try to promote freedom and unity among workers. It discusses problems which are common to workers, such as problem relating to wages, bonus, working condition, etc. It is a platform where workers come together and know about each other. Trade union or organization formed by workers in factories that the work towards the common interest of its members. Next definition, according to Edwin B. Flippo, a trade union is defined as a labor union or trade union is an organization of workers formed to promote, protect, and improve through collective actions the social, economic, and political interest of its members. Objectives of trade union. The following are the main objectives of trade union: to regulate the terms and conditions of employment, to secure for workers better working conditions, to improve the living standard of workers, to assure bonus for workers from the profit of the organization, to secure for the workers better safety and welfare measures, to provide legal assistance to workers in connection with disputes regarding work and payment of wages, to inculcate discipline, self-respect, and dignity among workers, to protect the workers from exploitation by the management. Next, functions of trade union. First one, to offer protection of workers. Trade union mainly focus on protecting workers against all sorts of exploitation by the employers, atrocities of the management, and domination of the political parties. Companies are responsible for workers' protection. This can be mainly done by trade union. Second one, to secure facilities for workers. Trade union aim at securing facilities for workers by ensuring them fair and reasonable wages, proper working conditions, proper safety and welfare facilities like housing facilities, medical facilities, recreation and entertainment, etc. Management is liable to check or arrange basic necessary facilities to workers. Third one, to redress grievances of workers. Trade union handle industrial as well as collective grievances of workers, discusses them with the employer and seeks to find a better solution. Fourth point, to secure workers' participation in management. Workers' participation in management is the essential ingredient of industrial democracy. This concept refers to the participation of non-managed employees in the decision-making process of the organization, especially with respect to matters which directly will influence the interest. Trade union work for achieving workers participating in management. Fifth one, to take corrective actions to enforce the terms of collective bargaining. A trade union negotiates and bargains with the management to settle terms and conditions of employment relating to wages, working hours and conditions, overtime payments, holidays, vacation, benefits, etc. Sixth one, to regulate relations between worker and employer. It is always necessary to develop mutual and cooperation between the workers and employer. A trade union serves as a link between the worker and employer and strives to maintain a good relationship between them. This leads to employees' happiness and significantly contribute to improved productivity. Thank you.